What is gua sha and is it worth all the hype? Gua sha is a skincare practice that's actually rooted in traditional Chinese medicine and has been used for thousands of years in Asia. It basically uses a smooth-edged tool, usually made out of stone. Traditionally, it's actually used more on the body, but it recently gained a lot of popularity as a facial skincare tool. So by stimulating your circulation, you're able to actually bring more nutrients to the skin, and when using it consistently, the improved circulation can bring more of a glow and vibrancy to the skin as well. I wouldn't expect miracles from using this tool, but I think that it can certainly enhance a skincare routine by bringing more circulation to the skin and possibly improving the effects of skincare on the face. And using the gua sha tool can make your skincare regimen feel like a lovely ritual and more enjoyable. And if using the tool is something you do enjoy, I think that you should definitely continue to use it.